Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to be making a spicy sardine tortilla. This recipe will feed 2 people. It's a recipe that's high in calcium and vitamin D, and it's great for bone health. I hope you enjoy. To make the spicy sardine tortilla, you will need 1 tin of sardines in tomato sauce, 1/4 of an onion, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 1 tablespoon of reduced fat mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of mango pickle, 2 leaves bok choy, 2 small tortilla wraps, 30 grams of low-fat cheddar cheese, some spray oil, salt and pepper, and a small chilli. Take your tin sardines and put them in a bowl. Using a fork, mash up the sardines really well, making sure you mash up the bones too. Keep the bones in as they contain calcium. Give it a good mix. Add the finely chopped chilli. Add 1/4 of the onion finely chopped. And add the tomato puree. Stir well, making sure it's all combined for when we put it in the tortilla later. Next we're going to take 2 tortillas. On each one we're going to spread half of the mayonnaise. Spread it around over the base of the tortilla with the back of a spoon. Cover the base well so that you have a nice layer. Once that's done, put half of the sardine mixture onto each tortilla. Make sure you spread the sardine mix evenly over half the tortilla. Then do the same on the other side. Now add half of the mango pickle to each tortilla. Dab it onto the sardines in different areas so that you get a zing when you take a bite. Add half of the cheese onto each tortilla. Try to get an even spread of cheese on both. Then add the bok choy. I have 2 leaves which have been thinly chopped. Put it on each tortilla. Finally, add the salt and pepper to taste. Then fold the tortillas in half and press them down gently. Now we're ready to cook. Put the frying pan on a low-medium heat. Spray the pan with a little bit of oil. Once the pan is hot enough, put the tortillas into the pan. Leave it to cook in the pan for 2 to 3 minutes on each side till the tortilla is brown and crispy. Now we can turn the tortillas over. Leave it a little longer till both sides are browned. Once both sides are done, take them out and put them on a plate. And now it's ready to serve. Serve your spicy sardine tortilla with a crispy green salad. I made this recipe as a twist on a meal that my mum makes for my dad. The flavours of the tomato mixed with the tastiness of the sardines and the zing of the chili make for an exciting lunch. Thanks for watching. For full details of the recipe, please see the recipe card in the link below. Goodbye, and I'll see you soon.